my name is Jax, and today I thought that we could do some cool, fun Halloween themed stuff together. Halloween costumes! I just thought that I would do a fun, easy, cheap Halloween costume idea video with things that I already have inside of my house. So all of these Halloween costume ideas may not be 100% accurate or anything like that, but I'm trying my best. This is just the cheap, easy, what you can make, what you have on hand, stuff like that. So yeah. First off, we're doing Vanellope Von Sweet. I've always wanted to be her for Halloween, like almost every year for the past like 10 years. She's so cute. She's adorable. She's small. It's all about candy. I love it. The freckles and the blush and everything that she has on is just so cute. It's literally the cutest. I love that movie so much. The original Wreck-It Ralph and the other movie that's like the second movie that she's in. It's so good. I didn't really have like a blue hoodie or anything, so I just grabbed a blue hoodie that I like, crop top hoodie thing that I seen. I know that she has brown, like a brown skirt on and everything, but I only have black skirts because why would I own a brown one? So like I said, it's not 100% accurate because also I don't have the leggings. And then I just took some construction paper and colored pencils and I drew out and cut out a lot of the candy pieces and I taped them to my head. Yeah, I know, I taped. We shouldn't be using tape on our hair, but this is the best that I can do. I don't really have any hair clips that I can glue it or tape it to, so it is what it is. Next, I'm gonna be doing the cutest, the awesomest, obvious. I'm gonna be a vampire. I'm gonna be a vampire. It's gonna be so cute. I have this Athena oil paint palette that I got from TikTok. It has like the best white face paint that I've ever used. I'm not exactly sure how to use oil-based paints that like well, so I'm not the best at face painting, but work with me here. Basically all I did was just kind of like make myself as pale as I could, tried to do the teeth and the blood and everything, the whole nine. I didn't really know what to do for a vampire outfit, so I just tried to do like an undead dress type of deal, like a gray black undead dress type of thing. And yeah, I'm old, I'm a vampire. Rah! I am baby bats, so maybe I will just magically turn into a bat and fly away. The next outfit I have isn't the best, but again, I'm trying with what I have. So I went to a local Halloween store, like not the Spirit Halloween, but the other local ones that you usually have, and I bought this. This is not Leg Avenue monster outfit, but it is a monster outfit. I don't have the top or the tutu, it doesn't come with that. So for a cute orange pink monster outfit mess, this is what I had come up with. I didn't really know what to do with the makeup, so I just kind of like went with whatever I felt like. But yeah, this is the outfit. Fits like perfectly with the outfit because it's orange and it like matches perfectly. I'm not really sure what to do with the short, but I also don't know if it's just too much color and it just doesn't look good. Orange and pink scene monster outfit. And next we have a witch. Who doesn't want to be a witch? I do have some costume pieces from a few years ago, such as a witch's hat, little headband, but other than that, I don't really have any witchy items. I feel like to be a witch for Halloween is really easy. All you have to do is really just like dress in all black and kind of look cute and have a little witch hat and you're a witch. I feel like that's all it really takes. I don't think it takes that much. I thought the dress is super cute. It's got like volume at the bottom. It's got little puffies. I thought it was adorable. Let me know if you think this looks like a witch, because I don't really know if this does look like a witch or just a lady that wears a lot of black. Do I just look emo? Tell me if I just look emo or not. And last but not least, obviously, we have a black cat, because why wouldn't we? I love using the face paint thing that I have. It's so cute, it's so adorable, it's awesome. So obviously I'm gonna put a little bit of the black face paint on my face to give myself some cat whiskers. I thought this was the cutest idea. You can always change it. You can add like an all black outfit for like a black t-shirt, black jeans, black shoes, for like a dress down, warmer black cat outfit, or you can just go all out and put on a cute little dress and dance around and be a cute little cat. Unfortunately, I don't have any cat ears and I don't have a cat tail, but you can always make your own cat ears by painting cardboard or a piece of paper and putting it onto your hair or on your head somehow. So that's all the Halloween costume ideas I had for you today. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if they were good or bad or not. If you would like to see some more quick, easy Halloween costume ideas, you can just go to my YouTube channel and check my YouTube shorts. That's where I post a lot of quick daily fashion outfit videos. I post a lot of my, right now I'm posting a lot of my other easy Halloween costume ideas. You can always get ideas from there. Yeah, I always appreciate everybody that watches my videos or my shorts. So yeah, I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great spooky season and the rest of your fall. I hope your Halloween goes amazingly, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!